Chaos Space Marines are feared throughout the galaxy in the Warhammer 40k universe. And today I'm going to take a look at one of their special choices, or elite choices I should say, the Chaos Terminator squad. Roll the intro. Alright, here we have the box. It features 5 examples of how you can build your models. And on the back side you have some color variation on how you can paint your Chaos Terminators. Well, let's get into the box. And while I'll do that, I can tell you that there are 5 models, as I said, included, and there are 10 different heads, and it includes separate trophy racks and shoulder pads. And when it comes to the arsenal, you get the options of combi bolters, 2 of which can be upgraded to combi flamers, 2 into combi melters, and 1 into a combi plasma gun, and a medium weapon for close combat. It also includes 3 power fists, 1 chain fist, and a variety of weapons like axes, blades, and them all, and also 2 lightning claws that can be worn separately or as a pair. Okay, here we go. First we have the build manual, which includes all these options I just mentioned, and also pictures of the sprues. But yeah, it seems pretty straightforward. Lots of options. If you want to take a look, just pause the video. And some more color variations here. And even some rules included. Okay. Next we have this transfer sheet. Lots of options. We have 5 40mm bases and a pair of sprues. One moment. I'll just make sure you get a good look at this. And the reverse side. There's also a pair of heavy weapons to choose from, a heavy flamer or a Reaper autocannon. The second sprue. See a lot of horns and shoulder pads, just as you would expect from Chaos. There is a grand total of 82 plastic components in addition to the 5 40mm round bases and the transfer sheet. And that's all she wrote. That's what you get in this box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and a comment, and please tell me, how should I build my Terminators? Thank you for watching and happy painting.